Hey all, in today's video I am going to be actually doing a check over on a tufted titmouse. I understand my voice is very raspy. I had an allergic reaction to a medication, so if you have a hard time hearing me now, that's fine because I don't talk much through this. The rest of the video is just me checking out a bird. This is just to show you that when a cat gets a hold of a bird, you need to check for puncture wounds. That is the #1 killer of cat catching bird kind of thing. I'm going to leave some information on this screen about triage and things like that, things that you can do to check a bird out to make sure that it is okay to be released back into the wild. Usually you want to check the abdominal section on a bird to make sure that there are no puncture wounds, make sure that it's not got any holes or anything in it, because cats can really tear up these little birds quite nastily, and it can be very dangerous for them. But anyways, the bird that I'm holding is what is called a tufted titmouse. They're a very small songbird, and I'm just going to be looking for any sort of bite marks or anything. I was working and I heard some screaming noises from a bird, and I went out to go look, and Bubby was walking down the hallway with it in his mouth because I guess it was on the windowsill in the bedroom, and he just reached up and grabbed it. There were no puncture wounds on this bird, just so you know, and I did release it back into the wild so it could go back and live a nice happy life. And hopefully you guys enjoy this random bit of nature and minor first aid for a bird. So thanks for watching, and leave your comments and thoughts down below. Close that door.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure you did.
All right, buddy. All right. All right. Let's get you checked out, okay? I just want to make sure you have no puncture wounds, okay? That's all we're gonna do. All right. Let's see what a kitty got you. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna flip you over, okay? All right. Good baby. Just want to make sure the kitty didn't bite you too hard. Okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I got you. You're fine. You're being such a good bird. Okay. I need the bottom drawer has a syringe in it. I need the syringe out. It's just a regular plunger syringe. See where the scalpel is? Down in there? Yep. And then I need my little cup right there that has water in it. Oh, God, the hell? Fuck, why can't I get that sucker?
You hold the bottom and I do.
You're okay. I got you. You're fine.
I'll hold the bottom and pull it out.
Hang on. No. You're fine. Oh, I know. You're on that. Oh, I know. I got you. You're going to be safe. I promise. Okay.
This thing is stuck. Is there a cap on it or something?
Okay.
Yeah, it's completely stuck.
Okay.
You have another one?
No. In my office, there are pipettes that I could use. Let me.
Pipettes?
Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go for a walk. Hang on. I hope they're in here. Looking for a little white trash can. I hope it's not in the garage. You're good. You're good. I got you. I promise you are safe with me. My necklace is touching me. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, you know what? Take my necklace off because it keeps bonking the bird. We don't need to scare him anymore than he already is. I do believe it's a him. All right, I got it. don't see them in there. I don't see the little trash can in here, so it probably is in the garage. Bird attacker. Let's see if I can find them. Just need to make sure that there's no puncture wounds.
Oh.
Me. Grab the medic basket. Close the door. Let's try and scan them, man. Oh, no. Okay, come here. William, he peed on my hand. Can I?
No, I'm scared. Oops.
I mean,
He's hiding out of view.
come here. I just need to check your abdomen. Make sure there's no puncture wounds, okay? Step up. Go, baby. All right. I just want to make sure you're not. Nope. Come,
Hello there.
come here. Come on. Oh, no mirrors. Come here. Let's not stress you out, okay? No. Gotta keep a firmer grip on you, that's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Don't need you getting scared. I know. Oh, I understand. No, fuck. I didn't want to hurt him. Yep. Okay, good. That's a good position. I can check. No, you're fine. I'm just gonna get you a little wet. Okay, you see this? Here, let's give you a drink. There you go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Let's, no more flying. No, you just gotta wait a minute. I know it's uncomfortable. I understand, I get it. No, okay. I'm just looking. I'm trying so hard not to hurt you, baby. Okay. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. I gotta just let me check the other side, okay? I'm trying. No, it's not. I gotta look. Okay. I don't want to stress him out too bad. He seems fine.
Okay.
I'm not seeing any puncture marks. I think Bubby just. You're gonna hurt yourself. Okay. No. All right, oh man.
Should we open a window and?
I'll take him all the way outside. Okay. Let's get your wings properly grabbed. There you go. You want your feet up or you want your feet down? Right now you're grabbing your own tail feather. Let's give you a finger or something. Hi. No, you're fine. Hi. I'm so sorry my kitty got you, okay? I really am sorry. Can we give you a little bit more water because you're stressed out? too much? Okay. I'll do it slower. Better? There you go. That's it. What are you looking at me funny? No, I'm gonna take you all the way outside. Calm down. No. Don't struggle, please. I know. Just a big ordeal for such a tiny bird. Actually, you know what? I was wondering if maybe we should take a picture of them so if I can put it on my bird app. Okay, let's do corrective pictures. You see this? Don't attack him again. You leave mommy's birds alone. Okay. Sorry about that. I'm trying to distress you. Right back out here. Oh goodness, we scared a whole bunch of dogs. I'm so sorry. Are you ready? Here you go. Okay, now time to wash my hands, which I